Okay, I'm going to do a little video on these acoustic treatment panels that come from Amazon that a lot of people are complaining that some of them are coming in flat. So this is what I just opened up about an hour ago, and you can see some of the pyramids have surfaced. Like, as you can see, I've got a bunch of them and a lot of them are okay, but a bunch of them did come like this. This is after about an hour. All these ones popped out except for this one. But as the instructions say, you want to get these all wet. Okay, so once you get these all wet, and then we wring them out. You'll see that now that flat part is starting to pop up. Okay, so that was the flat end. As you can see, these are all now popping up. So do what the instructions say, get them wet, then let them dry. I'll just get wet this one last little corner here again. And I found that warm water is the best. And there you have it. They're all popped up. So don't write negative reviews if you didn't follow the instructions. These ones are great.